You guys, look how stunning this Dutch oven is. Not only is it beautiful, but it's easy to clean, dishwasher safe. I can use it in the oven. I have been patiently waiting to make some chicken gnocchi soup. Now that my 5-quart Dutch oven arrived, I can finally satisfy my cravings and make some chicken gnocchi soup. I hope you guys enjoy watching me make it. This 5-quart Dutch oven would make the perfect housewarming gift for a friend or a close family member, or if you want to just buy it for yourself. This Dutch oven does come in a variety of different colors, but of course I went with the lightest color. If you are interested in purchasing this Dutch oven for yourself, for a loved one, or a close friend, I will have this product linked in this video. Bye guys, thanks so much for watching.